Now, in this video, Dr. Wali Mugni shared the importance of aircraft engines.
Very important question. Why would we want to know about aircraft engines? क्या मतलब है हम aviation managers हैं, right? We are all hoping to, inshallah, one day manage various aspects of aviation. तो इसमें engines पढ़ने से क्या फायदा है? Why should we study? Anybody? जनरल नॉलेज होनी चाहिए. ओके ओके, वेरी नाइस. और व्हाट एल्स?
If we will be a manager in civil aviation, then that will be helpful for us. That because there is some limitation on engines that engine is not allowable to land on your aircraft or allow on your airport. So that's why you should know that which kind of, because we know that the Shine airline have high what do you say that high bypass engines, jet 90, I think, jet TAD, something like that. So there's a limitation that they are not allowed to because of noise factor and fuel burn. So they almost all of the countries not allowing them to land on their airports. And the Manchester airport and the airport, there are some kind of limitations to I think Heathrow airport. You're not allowed to land at night time because of the engine noise. So that's why I think we should know that which kind of engines we are capable to make less noise and low emission. So that's why we know that.
ठीक है, बिल्कुल ठीक है, आपकी बात सही है. So we can say that the engine is a key part of the airplane, right? One of the most important part of an airplane. And counteracting the force, this is required basically जो resistance of air है, when the aircraft is moving through the air, it is counteracting that force. That force is called drag, and also creating the speed that is necessary for the lift. So basic जो हमारा एरोडायनेमिक्स है, जहाज किस लिए कैसे उड़ता है, ये आगे जो है पुश कर रहा है आपको thrust, which is because of the engines, right? It is opposing the resistance of the air, which is called drag. Okay, and lift is being generated with the wings, right? Wings जो होंगी आपको, उससे आपका lift generate होगा, which is called lift. And what is lift doing? It is counteracting the weight. ठीक है? So lift is counteracting the weight. Lift is being generated. Those who are new, they can go on to how does an aircraft fly. There's a complete lecture on that in the recordings. You can listen to that. If you don't understand, then you can get back to me, ask me. I will try to explain it to you again. Okay? So thrust is moving, pushing the aircraft forward, opposing the drag of the air, and lift is generating the upward force, which is countering the weight of the aircraft. So अगर weight ज्यादा होगा तो आपको ज्यादा lift चाहिए. Lift के लिए क्या दो चीजें होती हैं? एक होती है speed. अगर speed होगी तो lift generate होगी. अगर जमीन पे खड़ा है, कोई speed नहीं आ रही है, wind नहीं है, तो दायरे है कोई lift नहीं होगा. और दूसरा है angle of attack, which is alpha. Angle of attack होता है the angle at which the wind is interacting with the wing. Okay, so basically this is important engines को study करना, क्योंकि आप फिर पूरे aviation को समझ सकते हैं, because ये एक important हिस्सा है.
Stay tuned to get more videos. Subscribe my channel and like it.